Hey everyone, you are welcome to Master Lucas Academy. And so this is what we have to solve here for today. Given that sine x equals to 2 over 3, evaluate leaving your answer in short form and without using table or calculator, tan x minus cos x. So in order to get this problem solved, this is what we are going to do here. So remember, this is sine x. So definitely it's talking about the SOHCAHTOA, which is the so. This represents our so. We have ka, then we have toa, like this. Okay. So from what you have in this place now, as you can see, we make use of what we call the right angle triangle. So from here, this is our what? Our hypotenuse. This is our opposite, while this one is our what? Our adjacent. So with respect to that, you are given what we call sine x, okay, equals to 2 all over 3. And sine x go for what? Opposite over what? Over hypotenuse. So our opposite is what? Is 2. Our hypotenuse is what? Is 3 in this place. Now, do we know our adjacent? Let that one be what? Be x. Okay. So if our adjacent is now x, then what can we do next? So the next thing we are going to do here is that we will use Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras theorem, so what are we going to have there? We are going to have it that, here we go, we're going to have our hypotenuse square equals to opposite square plus what? Plus our adjacent square. So from what you have here, our hypotenuse is 3, that is square, equals to our opposite is 2 square, then plus this one is x square. So here we are going to have 9 equals to 4 plus x square. Now take this here, you have 9 minus 4 equals to x square. Then take away this from this, you have 5 equals to what? X square. So finally, you are going to have, there we are going to have a square root of 5 equals to what? X. So we've already obtained the value of this one to be what? To be square root of 5. So with respect to that, the next thing we are going to do now is we now solve this problem that you are given in this place. So here we go. For the tan, this is tan x. Tan x now will be the tan, which has to do with what? Opposite of our hypotenuse. So our opposite is 2, then our hypotenuse is what? Our adjacent rather is what? Is root 5 minus, now the next one is cos x. So for the cos, we are going to have our what? Our adjacent. Our adjacent, that is root 5 over our hypotenuse, which is what? Which is 3. Now here we go. LCM of root 5 and 3 equals to 3 root 5. So that will be 3 root 5. Then here we go. This will go in this. So you are left with what? With 3. 3 times 2 will give you 6 minus this that we have in this place will go in this. So you are left with what? You are left with root 5. Root 5 times root 5, that will give you 25. Okay. So the next thing now will be 6 minus, what is square root of 25? That will give you what? 5. All over what? 3 root 5 there. So if you subtract this from this, you are going to have what? 1 all over 3 root 5. So 1 over 3 root 5, bring it here, you rationalize. So when you rationalize 1 all over 3 root 5, that is equal to what? 1 over 3 root 5 times 3 root 5 over 3 root 5. So when you use this to multiply this, it will give you what? It will give you 3 root 5 over 3 times 3, 9 times root 5 times root 5. That will give you 5 at the end. So in this place, this will go in this 1. Here you have 3. So at the end of the day, you are going to have, that is root 5 over 3 times 5, which will give you root 5 over what? Over 15. That is our final answer at the end.